Hello guys, this is Tushar Imran and welcome to my channel Ice Multimedia. Today I'm going to show you how to make your background blur. Most of the people we know, if we take picture with DSLR camera, we got nice blurry background, so our subject stand out from background. But if we take picture from our mobile phone or our digital camera, our compact camera, then we got some picture that background is not very good. This is clear like main subject, so our focus is not straight go through the subject. So if we got blurry background, our pictures look great and our subject also stand out from the background. So now I'm going to show you how to make a picture background blur, only background blur, so this picture will look like a DSLR camera picture. So I have got a picture here. I have downloaded from Creative Commons. So this is Creative Commons picture. I can use it. I have a right to use it. Okay, so first of all we need to select our subject so we can separate it from our background. So first of all we have to go to this selection tools, quick selection tools, and now select our subject like this. Just take your time when you select your subject. This is little bit time consuming work, but I'm doing it rough just only to show you how it's done. I'm just showing you the way you can do better than this, because probably you will get some times. Anyway, if you know how to use quick selection tools, that's okay, but if you don't know, I'm just going to tell you that when you select, you can see this little plus button inside our selection tools here, inside our mouse cursor. So it will select your subject or anything you select, and if you have to unselect something, then just press Alt from your keyboard and then drag like same if you have to unselect something. Okay, so this picture is clean and nice. It does not have any fine hair or something like this. I don't need to work on that, but to show you, if you have some fine hair, for fine hair is here is flying for some air or something like this, so it will be fine hair. So what are you gonna do if you have some fine hair? Just select and mask, select it, and you got this on your skin selection, and then you have to select these refined tools and just brush over your fine hair. It will select only your hair, okay? And then check on smart radius, then these tools with new layer with layer mask, click OK, select and click OK. So we have got our subject separate from our background. Okay, this is our background, this is our subject. So just click here to visible background and click uncheck it to invisible your subject. Okay, so this is only just your background. So what you need to do is just click on this picture and go to filter, blur and lens blur, because when you use DSLR camera, your background is blurry because of the lens. So here we need to select lens blur. Okay, so when you get your picture, this setting would be like this, everything would be 0. So what you need to do is you can play with it, because this is just a blur amount. So how much amount you want, you can increase it or decrease it, whatever you want. Okay, so for example, I am going to show you here just blur focal distance 5 and radius 100%, blade curves 100%. Okay, now you got very blurry background. Now click OK. and now select your visible your subject. Boom, you got very good nice blurry background with a beautiful subject with stand out from your background. So this is how you can do it, and every single photoshopper, they do same thing with different way, because once you have learned Photoshop, you can do pretty much everything with your own way. If you see something, you can do it, but you don't need to follow their rules. You can make it because you know it how it's done. There is 1,000 way you can do the same thing. Okay, so this was today's tutorial. I'm going to see you in my next video pretty soon. So in the meantime, take care of yourself and keep practice with your Photoshop. Happy photoshopping. Bye bye.